Welcome to our video on how to use traditional marketing. In this segment, we will discuss the basics of traditional marketing and its importance in today's digital age. Traditional marketing refers to any form of marketing that does not involve digital media. This includes print ads, billboards, radio and television commercials, direct mail, and more. While digital marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, traditional marketing still plays a crucial role in reaching certain audiences and achieving specific marketing goals. One of the main advantages of traditional marketing is its ability to reach a wide audience. For example, a billboard on a busy highway can be seen by thousands of people every day. Similarly, a television commercial during a popular show can reach millions of viewers. This broad reach can be especially effective for businesses that are targeting a local or regional audience. Another advantage of traditional marketing is its ability to create a tangible connection with consumers. A physical ad, such as a flyer or brochure, can be held and examined by a potential customer. This can create a more personal connection than a digital ad that is quickly scrolled past on a screen. However, traditional marketing does have its limitations. It can be expensive, especially for businesses with limited budgets. Additionally, it can be difficult to track the effectiveness of traditional marketing campaigns, as it is often harder to measure the impact of a billboard or print ad compared to a digital ad that can be tracked through clicks and conversions. Despite these limitations, traditional marketing can still be a valuable tool for businesses looking to reach a broad audience and create a personal connection with consumers. In the next segment, we will discuss some specific traditional marketing tactics and how to effectively use them.